Apple has quietly rolled out updates for several of its older operating systems alongside the much-anticipated iOS 26 release, and this is the part most people miss. While the spotlight is often on the newest software versions, Apple continues to support previous generations with important updates, ensuring devices remain secure and compatible. This time, updates are available for iOS 18.7, macOS Sonoma, macOS Sequoia, and a few others, showing Apple's commitment to maintaining a broad range of devices. To break it down, alongside the latest macOS 26 Tahoe and iOS 26, Apple has also pushed out updates for macOS Sonoma 14.8, build 23J21, and macOS Sequoia 15.7, build 24G222. On the iOS side, iOS 18.7, build 22H20, iOS 15.85, build 19H394, and iOS 16.7.12, build 20H364, have all received their respective updates. But here's where it gets controversial. Some users wonder if these updates are truly necessary or just a way to keep older devices tethered to Apple's ecosystem longer. What do you think? Are these updates a genuine effort to improve user experience, or just a strategy to encourage device upgrades? Typically, these updates for older systems include a mix of bug fixes, security patches, and tweaks to improve compatibility with newer apps or hardware. However, Apple hasn't yet released detailed patch notes for these latest updates, so the exact changes remain a mystery for now. This lack of transparency can be frustrating for users who want to know exactly what's being fixed or improved. For those wondering how to get these updates, the process remains straightforward. On macOS Sonoma and macOS Sequoia, simply open System Settings, navigate to General, then Software Update. If an update is available, you'll see it there, ready to install. On iOS devices, head to the Settings app, tap General, then Software Update, and follow the prompts to download and install the latest version. This ongoing support for older operating systems highlights Apple's approach to balancing innovation with stability. But it also raises questions about how long users should expect to receive updates and what that means for device longevity. Are these updates enough to keep older devices running smoothly? Or do they just delay the inevitable need for a new device? Share your thoughts below. We'd love to hear your take on Apple's update strategy and whether you think it serves users well or simply benefits the company's bottom line.